this is Beginning of Life with Michael Brenton. God bless everyone that is watching today. So guys, we're going to go through some walkthroughs today and a little bit of reviews. So this is both. We're going to be talking about the Billboard speaker. Now, I did not know that Billboard released a speaker or that they had a speaker. I've been using it already for 2 days, 1 or 2 days, and it's called literally Billboard. This is the box, Extreme Bass. And when it says Extreme Bass, for how tiny it is really good in my opinion. So that's why I'm talking about it. Now, it shows two. I'm only showing you one because it's just going to be a pain in the butt to actually sync both. But to sync both is the same exact thing. So here's the second one. There's 2 speakers of this, and the best part about this, before I get to the even better part, is that it brings 2 of this. Now, what is this? If you actually take it out from here and you flip it over and put it this way, you can actually put the speaker right in here. Now, where? Right here. You put that in there, and then you can actually put it in sand or anything. This is waterproof and sandproof. Now, when I say waterproof, please do not sink it in water and then take it out. Oh, let's see if it's gonna work. When I mean waterproof, is it can get splashed or something, and it's sandproof, so it can get dirty. Now, and we're gonna get to the even better part. And on top of that, before I get to the really good part, it brings 2 of this and chargers to charge that, which I have them somewhere. So, wait, I have them right here. Actually, here's the charger. So this is the charger that it brings. It has this one. So the ones almost every phone has the same charger, and every Android device has the same thing. So to get to the amazing part about this, guys, in the box it says here, solar wireless speaker. I cannot believe this. Solar wireless speaker. What does it mean by that? You see those little things right there? That's for the solar part. Now, we're going to test this baby out and turn it on, so I can show you. I'm going to be using this one. Alright, there we go. It turned on. Right there. And then when it does do-do-do-do, when it does do-do-do-do, that means that it's actually on. And this thing is loud for what it is. There we go. When it does that noise, because what I do is I always press this button, the plus button, and then just keep it hold until it does like calling someone. So, and that technically indicates that it's in max volume. Over here, I'm actually going to lower it because I don't want this thing to blast. We're going to play a song, and then we're going to see from highest to lowest. So let's go from the highest. I'm trying to find something here. Oh man, where is it? Okay, let's try to find it right here, guys. There it is. So
we're all the Christian.
Try this new free Christian dating app. Upward is a place to connect you with.
Simple.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna go as loud as we can. Let's see. Right there. This is the loudest. And then we're gonna start lowering it little by little. That's 100. So as you can see, I'm lowering this, but still at a very low volume. You can hear the song clearly, what she's saying very clearly, and the instruments. So we're gonna go to the lowest, and you can still hear it. That's just how good this is. Oh. So you can hear everything. Now we're gonna go back to high and then see how it goes from high to low. I mean from low to high. Now I'm going back up. Your kingdom come quickly. Your will save and on earth as it is in heaven. Sorry guys, I don't have the best singing voice. That's why I was singing very low. Anyways, so as you can see, it works really good. If you put both together, you're gonna be blasting. That's why I do not want to show both, because if you have, I'm going to say this. I'm gonna put this in the description of the video. It's best to hear this with headphones. Best to see this video with headphones. But if you had headphones throughout this whole video, imagine 2 of those. Yeah, God bless your ears, because they're gonna be breaking. Anyways, guys, peace out. Take care, y'all. God bless everyone. And I wish the best happiness to everyone. And please, God, give everyone peace, comfort in their life, and always faith. Stay faithful, guys, to God, because He's amazing. He deserves all of our praise and everything in our life. He deserves to be in everything that we do in our lives. Never forget that. And as I always like to say, always worship Him and do everything for Him. The world is gonna hate you, but He's gonna love you. Amen to that. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out. This is Beginning of Life with Michael Brenton, the life of a Christian. Take care, guys. Take care, guys. And for the last time, God bless you.